Welcome to the module on GTIN Exemption or Global Trade Item Number Exemption. By the end of the module, you will be able to understand what GTIN is and why it is required, how to request for GTIN exemption, how to add products after the exemption. GTINs or Global Trade Item Numbers are product identifiers which are 12 or 13-digit long and are located below the barcode on the product package. They are commonly referred as barcodes or product IDs. GTIN number is one of the mandatory requirements to create a new listing on Amazon to ensure a high-quality shopping experience. So, what is GTIN exemption? GTIN exemption is an option provided to sellers on Amazon to add their products without a barcode. You simply need to request for GTIN exemption by providing a few details about your brand, category, and products. Amazon will verify the details and provide GTIN exemption for the requested brand and category, post which you will be able to add any number of products without a barcode. Click on the link below the video which says, "Click here to apply for GTIN exemption." You will be redirected to the GTIN exemption application form. Click on Select, choose the category, and enter the brand or publisher name under which you want to add your products, and click on Check Eligibility. The system will run a background check and notify you on the brand availability. Once done, click on Continue to submit proof. If you have a support letter from your brand owner, click on Yes and upload the support letter. Note, if you need the support letter format, you can click on Download Sample Letter, fill in the required details and upload it. If you do not have a support letter, click on No. Enter any one of your product name and upload at least one image of the product, capturing all sides and packaging, and click on Submit. Your application will get submitted and our team will verify your application within 48 hours and notify you the status on an email, post which you will be able to add products under the approved brand name and category. To add your products, go to Inventory tab and click on Add a Product. Select Create a New Product and choose the category. You will no more see the mandatory symbol near the product ID field. Instead, the brand name and part number is set as key attributes. Enter the exact brand name, manufacturer part numbers, and other product details such as name, price, quantity, images, and keywords, and click on Save and Finish. Your product will be successfully added under your inventory. Once you get the approval for your GTIN exemption, you will get a confirmation email with the details on how to list a product after GTIN exemption. Thank you.